more smooth flowing. We're going to invite the members of the high table to actually go and help themselves and choose what they want before we can invite the rest of the people. So apologies for that. So I'm going to invite the members of the high table to please go and serve yourself. Thank you. Club of Nigeria, UK, Chief Martin Uzodimma in our midst. You're welcome, sir. To come here and give us a very special performance whilst we eat and drink. Thank you.
group of ladies here. We're here today to support our matron, Mrs. Benedict Ibaka. We are members of the LUPA, and Mrs. Benedict Ibaka is our matron. We're here to support our LUPA means London University Professionals Association, and Mrs. Benedict Ibaka is our matron. She's a wonderful lady, a dynamic matron, and that is why we're here to support her. Wonderful LUPA! Wonderful! Fabulous LUPA! Fabulous! Beautiful LUPA! Beautiful! Caring LUPA! And care, you care, we care!
Thank you very much, wonderful LUPA. You're welcome. We are going to get down to business now because this is the show time. I'm going to hand over to our chairman to officially announce the process for this luncheon. Mr. Chairman, sir.
Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me, please. Can you give me some moment, please? We're now entering into the phase in the booklet for the donations. And I am as the chairman here. I'm delighted now to be here in Ihiala community to witness this occasion. And I would like each and every one of you to support the occasion as well. The Leprosy project, fencing project, is one of those events in Nigeria, legacies which we have forgotten about, and it is quite very, very important. When you look at my catchment area, which Okija is, it shows now maybe we are taking it for granted, but years ago, that illness must have been very, very terrible. And I commend the people of Ihiala community who have taken it upon themselves to raise some money for the fencing of this project. Therefore, I and my wife were delighted and pleased to be able to donate the sum of £500 towards this project, please. Because I wish everybody would dip their hands into their pocket and help this project. It's a worldwide project. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you very much. Thank you. Another round of applause for our chairman. Thank you. The able chief launcher. Now that the chairman has declared it open, our hope now rests on you. The able chief launcher. Nigeria, please. Nigeria, please. Anambra, please. Igbo, please. Ihiala, please. Ladies and gentlemen,
while I am standing here. Now, my name is what happened is this: I'm not here because my pocket is heavier than every other person's pocket that is here. Neither am I here because my pocket is deeper than every other person that is here. I'm here because it is in my heart to support a charitable cause. Now, the most important thing about giving, and it's a very fundamental principle, it is prevalent in all religions and is consistent in all walks of life. If you give, you will receive. I repeat myself, if you give, you will receive. Now, and it's also important that you are not giving because you are expecting a reward for political appointment. You are not giving because you are expecting a political appointment or because you are expecting a board appointment. But you are giving because God has given unto you. And you are helping the less privileged. Macaroni to Christmas or and we are in economic crisis, financial crisis, and we all know that. So, as I'm here, I'm asking each and every one of you. I know the chairman has possibly said all the things I want to say, but please, let me just take possibly one more minute. I'm asking each and every one of you to dig deep into your pocket. Now, not because you have too much, or because you just want to spend, but we are talking about helping people who have been banished, people who are kept separate from the society. And one of the worst things that can happen to anybody is to be kept separate from the entire society. Now, we don't know the freedom we have until possibly we lose it by ostracization from the society. So, ladies and gentlemen, please, wherever you are the chairman, the chief launcher of that table. You are a VIP in any share in our city. So, I'm asking each and every one of you to dig deep into your pocket, whatever it is, if it is your widow's mind, to help this noble cause. Now, without wasting much time, I'm going to launch this program, this occasion, helping the Leprosy project with a sum of £1,000. Every chief launcher, the sum of £1,000. You're very, very highly appreciated. Thank you. Thank you. Now, we are going to declare everyone chairman wherever they are. So, we are going to be coming on to you. Anything you can give us, any token is highly appreciated. So, I'm going to, in no particular order, I'm going to go by my right and then to my left. Sir.
The chief launcher, this is a charity program to help those that are in. And the red cross, I'm asking that chief launcher at £1,000. So no opener, you can bring it up to support this mission. Thereby, you actually told me this is always the time who are not support this program with the sum of £300.
so much. I'm going to be asking the Ihiala women to pass the envelope, to start passing the envelope to every single seat, no matter how small. Anything that comes out of the goodness of your heart is not mandatory. If you feel that what we are working on is something that is commendable and is something that you need to support, anything that you feel you can give will be highly appreciated, and God will bless you for doing so. So I'm going to be asking the people to pass the envelopes to all the seats as we go through the members of the high table. And also, can I ask the members of the high table, because of the time restraint we have here, to keep their speech very, very, brief, just brief, so that we can be able to get everybody to have the turn. Our time here is very, limited, okay? All right, I'm going to be moving on.
Mr. Chairman, sir, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why MC gave me the microphone first before our guests. We are hosting this occasion, and every one of us has put this on our best. On behalf of the elders of Biennial Community Association here and the entire group, I thank every one of you that is here, and I thank those who organized this function.